if you come closer.
Sir, can you please come here?
I request Ms. Dia Mirza and the dignitaries to present the check to Dr. Aparna Hegde and her team.
Sir, center में देखिए please.
Yes. May I request leadership team to kindly come, ma'am, please come. Carl. I think you can just.
Udhar, please.
Question दिया है, would you like? Yeah. Carl, please.
Mobile पीछे.
सब आ रहे हैं ना?
No.
We'll have to go further back then. Should some people come
Yeah,
to
some
the
people
front?
can come
Will
in the front
come
down.
Vinod and Rajiv.
Please come when you're in the picture and clear. Just take the front step. That's okay. Cover our face.
Got it?
Yes.
Can you see the?
Yes. थोड़ा पीछे. Yes, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations. All of you, well done. I'm passing. We can't deposit that.
I can't see a problem and not want to fix it. I mean, it's really as simple as that. I think when you're brought up in an environment where you're encouraged to be a participative citizen of the world, you're encouraged to be aware and empathetic, you can't help but want to be a part of the solution. And I think, like I said in my opening comments while I was speaking, that we are privileged to be in the public eye, to have a role in society that not just is one that can entertain people or spread joy, but is one that can extend itself beyond that entertainment and actually seek to make a difference in society.
Thank you, ma'am. Second question is, what made you take the leap of faith from the industry of glamour to social service?
I'm still invested in the entertainment industry just as much as I am invested in social building and community service. I think they're both deeply intertwined. They're not independent entities, because I think even as a film producer, I chose to generate and create content that can help impact change, that can bring awareness, that can educate people. And it doesn't have to be a cause-driven film. It can be a film that drives many causes home.
So even my question is for Dia ma'am. Somehow we've managed to keep these two words interlinked. So what's the secret behind that?
Purpose. I think when you have a clearly defined purpose about what you want to do with your life, and I think I've identified my purpose as a communicator. I find that the coexistence of the many roles that I, carry out in life just integrate beautifully. They just, it's organic, it happens. I didn't go anywhere. I'm a film producer now. I direct stuff as well. I'm acting also in a movie this year. I did take a small break from being in front of the camera, but I was still in front of the camera, may not be in films, but was doing many other things that brought me right in front of the camera. I will be seen in the Dutt biopic early next year. I'm very excited about that film, and I'm sure before the year ends, I would have done a few more acting jobs, so your answer will be well satisfied.
Fans of your popular film, Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein, are eagerly waiting for a sequel. Your thoughts?
Rehna Tere Dil Mein has turned out to be one of the most, I think, you know, in every actor's career, there's that one film that resonates an incredible amount of love. And I think Rehna Tere Dil Mein has done that for both Madhavan and me. And we're really humbled by the love that we continue to get for it. And I'm pretty certain that before we, you know, get really old, we will definitely do a sequel. Or maybe sometime when we are very old, we will do a sequel. Because I don't believe we make enough love stories about older people. And they have every right to love, so you never know. But it's an exciting and an interesting thought. And I must admit that it's not one that we think of. It's something that we do think of as well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions for these amazing people here on this dais?
Arman is Amitra, and it's recognized. When you look at the reasons mothers and children die, 3 delays responsible for that. First delay is in the community because they don't have access to information. If you look at numbers, most of the reasons for mortality, I mean, a huge percentage would be contributed by the fact that they do not have information about what to do, where to go, and what is the reason for, you know, mortality or morbidity and what care they should take. And IEC, I mean, for me, technology became a source of helping IEC. Right? Amitra is an IEC program, right? Information, Education, and Communication, right? That's what IEC stands for. And what the only problem with the grassroots traditional models is that, you know, they become really resource intensive. You know, it's very difficult to go and knock on a door every, you know, as frequently as women require information. And so technology really became a great source to be able to reach across a woman twice a week, literally, with information she needs at that particular point in time, right? And I'm extremely happy that, you know, he has Amitra on his mobile phone, you know, and the kind of, because it's very important to also understand IEC not just about, you know, medications to take or this care to take or that care to take. It's also about the fact that, you know, how the child is growing inside, education, exactly, you know, all that she needs to know to ensure that the child gets a very good life. Good